Another day in the world of tech. Let's see what's popping on Twitter, player. Woo! Oh wait, a S21 and the S21 Ultra teaser video just leaked. Whoa! Oh, it gets juicy. Wait a minute. No charging brick or headphones from Samsung? Oh! And it's the end of the charging brick and the headphones. R.I.P. man. Yo, man, what the man? Every time. You know what? Every morning there's something new in tech, and today we got some exciting and some not so exciting news. Actually, I don't know if this is even exciting at all, to be honest, but we got some news about the Samsung Galaxy S21 and S21 Ultra. The cool part is we got the teaser video, which is basically giving you a look at the design, so we get to check that out. But the not so good side is it looks like the S21 lineup is not gonna come with a charging brick or headphones. Listen, Apple did it first. You know, the tech community blew up to a degree, rightfully so. You know, Apple claimed a green economy and so forth, but I don't know, we can argue either way. And now we have Samsung going the exact same way. They literally teased talking about RS, whatever comes with the charging brick, knowing they had intentions to remove it. The reports are showing that they have like an official certificate from different countries showing that it's not coming with headphones or a charging brick. So it's kind of safe to assume that they're gonna go the exact same route as Apple. Honestly, when Apple does something and they get away with it, Samsung over here like, yo, oh, they got away with that? Okay. And Samsung will go and follow suit. You know, honestly, it's starting to look more and more like this is to save money and get more profit out of the box. Hopefully they bring down their pricing. Like, they better bring down their pricing. That's the number one thing I need Samsung to do is bring down pricing. But you know, I don't understand taking away the headphones, you guys. Like, we'll talk about the charging brick in a second, but the headphones, the reason why that's a big gripe to me, because even if you have a pair of headphones, like say the earbuds that came with your phone from that you held on to for 2 to 3 years, those things are old, dirty, nasty, dusty, dingy, whatever. You want a new fresh pair. Give us the headphones. Same thing for Apple, both of them. They should just give us headphones. Okay, I was watching this edit back, and I do have to add, the Samsung, at least they give you a lot of accessory credit if you pre-order. That's only for those who pre-order typically, but you can get the free Galaxy Buds and so forth. So you do get access to better headphones if you pre-order. So just wanted to throw that in there in the favor of Samsung. Now the charging brick is somewhat arguable in Samsung's area in the sense that if you got a Samsung phone, they've been giving us USB-C chargers a lot. A lot of Android users have USB-C chargers, but then you could be transitioning. You could be coming from Apple with the USB-A charger and so forth. So I don't know if it's even warranted. Like, honestly, I'm starting to get to the point right now. It's just like, come on, you guys, like, But there was a lot of hypocrisy in that. Like, for Samsung to tease Apple for not having a charging brick and then turn around and do the same things, like, you know, whatever. On to the next. Let's get into the exciting part. Let's get into the positive things that we can speak about is the brand new teaser just leaked for the S21 and the S21 Ultra. We have a visual look of the S21. We get to see that camera array and how it's really gonna look. I'm loving the contrast of the camera array having a different like metal look to it as opposed to the body of the S21. And then we come on over to the S21 Ultra and it's just a solid monotone colors, black on black. You know what I mean? I really like the way they had that bronze bouncing off of that lighter, like vibrant color, you know what I mean? That's swag on the S21. And then we get to the one that is supposed to be the swag, the top dog, and we don't have as much contrast, but I get it. I think they look at the high-end one as that it needs to be monotone and plain. I think at this point, we know that you can do colors on an Ultra device, Samsung. I hope they give us colors. Give us red right out the back, man. All that red later? No, red now. So I'm hoping the color selection is a lot better than this, but you can see they've developed the camera physically on the S21 Ultra and the S21. And the good thing is, on the Note 21 Ultra, we saw the camera improve by them adding the laser, and obviously they've gotten it because the last S20 Ultra was an absolute disaster. It's good to see that they're doing that. Note 21 Ultra camera impressed me a lot, the rear camera that is. I'm still waiting for Samsung to upgrade their front-facing camera. We're getting a smaller front-facing hole punch this year, and it looks like maybe under glass could be in the near future. Maybe that's why they haven't upgraded the front-facing camera, which is cool. If you're gonna give me a new tech and you're gonna give me an all-glass display, I'll take it for now, you know? But the rear camera has been impressive, so I'm glad to see that coming on the S21 Ultra. My only gripe is really looking like the same as last year. We got the design change and the camera bump has been reduced. So I really gotta give a round of applause to Samsung for pulling that off, because that humongous camera bump, you know, it wasn't visually appeasing to me personally. So to see them reduce it, I was like, whoa, when I saw like the first renders of the S21, a player eyebrow went up. I give them all their props. Unfortunately, we got like rumbles of there possibly not being a Note 21 and them giving S Pen support to a S21 model and not necessarily a S Pen in the S21. That's what it looks like the rumors are. Like, it looks like they're prepping you for the Note going away. It's possible that we might see a Note 21, like literally just a Note 21, not a Note 21 and a Note 21 Ultra and all that, which Samsung, it should have never been multiple Notes. And I know this isn't a Note video, but I don't know what the future is. But the S21 and the S21 Ultra, like design-wise, it's starting to look pretty decent. It's starting to form its shape and so forth. My only thing is, like, what's gonna set it apart from the S20? I had the S20 Plus, enjoyed the S20 Plus, told you guys get the S20 Plus over the S20 Ultra. What improvements are we gonna see on the S21, or features, that is, because you know, we always gotta hit the features. This is gonna give us, you know, that jaw drop. We all know, man, the glass sandwich is coming to an end. Foldables are the future. I'm looking forward to the next foldable from Samsung and seeing where they take it and how they go with it. But this was right around the corner. I just wanted to give this, break some news, talk to you guys, get your opinion. What do you guys think about the new S21 and S21 Ultra design? Like literally, I would love them to give more swag to the S21 Ultra color selection wise. Like just the plain black, that's not doing it for me, dog. No, it's not. But I'm excited to see the camera bump take a reduction. It's unfortunate that we're not gonna get, or I mean, let's not say that we're not, but it's a strong possibility that we won't get a charging brick and headphones inside this next X21 line up. So yeah, that's the news I wanted to break to you guys, you know what I mean? Smash that like button, hit the subscribe. My name is CJ, this is CJ Unplug, and I like to just come and sit and chat tech with you guys, you know what I mean? Give you reviews, help you make nice, strong, informed tech purchase decisions. Peace. Hold on. Samsung, what are you doing, man? Listen, man, how you gonna take the route and follow the steps of Apple? You gonna get rid of the charging brick and the headphones, bro? Come on, what are you doing? Just cause Apple supposedly got away with it doesn't mean you gotta go run and do the same thing, man. Now I'm counting pockets over there, player, and I'm wondering why I still have not been sent a Samsung device. All that extra money you finna make from not sending out charging brick and headphones, hey, you better chalk that up and send me a Galaxy S21 Ultra. Well, what? You talk to me like that? I'm gonna call my mama. Mama, you won't believe what Samsung said to me.